everyone, it's Heather here at Creative Faith Art Studio. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do a junk journal with me session. So the first thing I do is find a page to work on, and I take this brown packaging paper that I had and I create a little background. I'm just going to take a few little bits and pieces from my birthday that just happened recently, and I'm going to get those things added in. So that little piece of I don't know what you'd call it, little twig, is actually some decoration from a package that my mother-in-law sent me. So it was beautifully wrapped journal with some I don't know what it's made out of. It's kind of like a twine, and then it had this little this and some berries, fake berries attached to it. So I just thought that was really pretty. So, and then also right now there's a lot of I guess people are really frightened right now because of this virus that's going around. So I pulled the word calmness from my old dictionary and put that on the page because I wanted to just remember to keep things in perspective and to stay calm. So, and here is a little piece from that book that I love so much, and that is a picture of two kids sitting at a dining room table with a doggy, and it looks like they're kind of doing schoolwork, and since we're homeschooling again, I thought that was appropriate for the time. And so I just tore that page out using my ruler, and I used my glue stick to glue it down, and I'm going to add a few labels onto the page. So that my family gave me this birthday card, which was really cute and funny, and so I just used my glue stick to glue that down, and then I want to reinforce that with my stapler because just to make sure it stays in. And then I get out this nature diary book that I have, and I just find some botanicals to decorate the page. And then I have this little Tim Holtz 45-cent piece of ephemera that I want to stick down because I just turned 45. So, and then I have a couple little notes that my friends at work gave me, which I thought were really cute. The one put it up as a cake order because I'm the cake decorator. So I was like, oh my gosh, I can't believe I have a cake to do. And then it was, the time on it was like 8 a.m. and of course it was 8:15. And so it was funny. So I just wanted to add those into my journal, and I just used a little piece of washi tape on the back of this because it's a sticky note, and so it was sticky. So I have this old sketchbook that I found, and it had some drawings that my mom had done and some that I had done in it. And so the paper is really brown and wonderful. So I tore a few pieces out to decorate and add to the pages so I could have a little extra journaling space that would kind of separate it from the book pages. And then this is a card that my mother-in-law sent me with my present, but I really wanted to put it somewhere, and that's packaging from the journal that she gave me. But I decided just to put it in the envelope for now. I might move it someplace else later, but right now it's good in the envelope. before I start writing, I would like to, that turquoise envelope is a little bright for the spread. So just so when I flip through the book, I want it to be calm. I don't, that was the whole point. So I just decide to make a little flap and hinge it with some washi tape. I don't want to cover up the envelope entirely because it has my husband's writing on it, which I think is kind of fun. And I can journal in that area too. So I just make this little hinged panel from some paper and that same brown craft paper that I used on the other side of the spread. And then I decide I'd like to add some decoration to that side. And I found these old photos at the thrift store one day, and I just thought it'd be kind of cute to add one of the pictures in there. And I chose this woman, this woman's picture. I'm not sure how old she is. I don't think she's as old as me, but I just thought that was kind of appropriate because I don't know why. And I really like the way there's a sheen on that photo that I really like. And then so I use double-sided tape to stick that down to the page. And I may go back and, add a little journaling underneath the picture, but I didn't do it at this time. So now I just do my journaling. There's a Bible verse that I'm taking out of a daily devotional that my mother-in-law gave me with the journal that she gave me for my birthday. There's a theme here, people. And so I write down one of the Bible verses about encouragement, and then I just journal about kind of what's going on today. I write a little bit about my birthday and how special it was, and then I write a little bit about homeschooling the kids again. And that's pretty much it. So thanks so much for watching. I really appreciate you taking the time. If you like the video, please give me a thumbs up. I try to post videos every 1 to 2 weeks. So if you want to subscribe to my channel, I will be sure to get some new content up very soon. I hope you all have a wonderful day. Again, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.